In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link cards in Trello, which is all about connecting Trello cards together. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing tasks, projects, or any workflow that might require cross-referencing between cards. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, of course, you'll want to head over to Trello's website. So open up your browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button on the page. You can click it and choose whether you want to log in using your email or your Google account, whichever way you prefer. After you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. From here, your next move should be to access your boards. Look for the boards option at the top of the page and click on it. This will lead you to a section called Your Workspaces, where you'll see all the boards you're associated with. Now locate the board where you want to link cards. Just click on it to enter. Once you're inside your board, look for the card you want to link from. Click on that card to open it fully. Within the card, you should see the share option available. Go ahead and click on share, and you'll notice an area labeled link to this card. This is your target. You'll find a URL here. Simply highlight this URL and copy it. This is the link you'll be using to connect to another card. After copying the URL, it's time to close the share menu and move on to the card you want to link to. Click on this second card to open it. You'll find an option for attachment, usually located in the main menu of the card. Click on attachment, which will take you to a place where you can add your link. Look for the field that says search or paste a link. You'll want to paste the URL you copied into this box. Once you've done that, you're ready for the final touch, clicking the insert button. This action will attach the link to the card, effectively linking these two cards together. Congratulations! You've successfully linked two cards in Trello. This method of linking can be invaluable for keeping track of related tasks across different cards or creating a web of contextual information within your projects. Keep in mind that you can link as many cards as you need, and you can always remove or update links as your project evolves. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.